My ex-girlfriend says it's not the size that counts, but the motion in the ocean. And if you want to resize your videos on TikTok from this to this, then let's get into it. Yo, welcome to Short Form Tech. I am your host, Kenyonlong here. And if you're looking for tips and tricks to increase your social media footprint with short form video, then hit that subscribe button, fam. Now look, you want to resize your videos on TikTok. Some people are doing landscape. They're going back to landscape. Some people are taking from landscape to vertical. What you want to do right now, you got an iPhone, is open that iPhone app up right now. I got a particular video that I shot that's actually in a comedy club, and I did shoot this vertical in selfie mode. But let's just say, fam, I want to sit here and shrink this down just to a little bit. If I don't want it just full portrait, I would just go hit that button right there and adjust it just like that, and scrunch it right there, squinch it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. And that's how I do it. I'll take that video and put it straight to TikTok, hit that upload button, that plus button, hit that upload, then I'm good to go. Of course, you already know I'm dropping those captions on top. But if you don't have an iPhone, you can use your personal video editor. Now, you already know the top video editors for mobile that I love are InShot. All right, one of the best, one of the OGs now at this point. InShot is great resizing your videos. Also, TikTok's own cut. Can we do it over again, Kenyon? Can we do it over? And you also know one of my favorite video editors is CapCut. All right, TikTok's own app, man. Of course, video editor app is great to use. So make sure you keep up that space though. Make sure you, after you do that video, make sure you delete it, okay? Because that space gets up quickly, all right, with CapCut. Of course, you got LumaFusion. Let our powers combine. We are Captain Planet. He's our hero. All right, cool. I'm dating myself. Gonna take pollution down to zero. All right, so LumaFusion, you want to do that as well. Resize your video. And did you know, of course, one of my favorite apps, fam, one of my favorite apps, don't tell nobody, Canva. You can also resize videos in Canva. Maybe a little bit overkill, maybe a little bit overkill. So resize your videos just like that, man. And of course, you want to learn more about getting more views on TikTok. I have a super affordable course. It is the TikTok views hacking course, where we deep dive into all kinds of hacks that you can use to get more views on TikTok, baby. Because when you grow, you grow, and you grow, and you grow, and you grow. All right, check out